Hello everyone, this is Siddhant Dikshit from Lingua Frenglish, and today we are going to tell you the accent in French. Okay, how to use accents in a French and what are the accents. So accents are the most important topic in the French. Okay, when through the accents we can use means pronunciation. It is quite different when we use it. So why to use accents in a French? Okay, in every language we can say. So there are five types of accents in French. Okay, so what are the accents? Cédilla. Okay, cédilla, aigu, grave, circumflex. Okay, and one more is tréma. So how to use them? So we are going to tell you today how to use them in proper way. Okay, so first of all we start from cédilla. Okay, we start from cédilla, this accent. Okay, this one. Okay, when there is something we see, then this one. Okay, so we use it to cédilla. Then the spell when we speak it, so it is always change. Okay, so how we speak, and it is always used under the C. It is always, this accent is always used under C. It will not be used under any vowel except C. Except C. So example C. Okay, garçon, son. It will be the pronunciation of so. Okay, it is pronounced so, 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 like garçon. Okay, garçon, garçon, français, français. This one. Okay, français, français. Okay. Next is l'accent aigu. L'accent aigu. When this accent, it is in the right side. It is in the right side, and it is always used upon E. It is always used upon E. It is not used on with E, A, sorry, I, okay, U, O. Okay, so it is always used upon E. Okay, so how to pronunciate when we change, we speak? So what, how to speak, how to use B? It will be sound A, A. It will be pronounced A, A. The sound of this accent is A, A, A. Okay, like baby, baby. Okay, baby. Okay, fue, 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 fue. Okay, so like this. Next, third one is l'accent circumflex, like this. Okay, it is found like this, circumflex, circumflex. Okay, so it is used upon A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. How to speak? How we have to speak? Like T, E, T, E. Okay, tête, tête. Okay, tête. Boîte, boîte, boîte. Okay. Next is l'accent grave. L'accent, this one. L'accent grave. Okay, l'accent grave. L'accent grave. So how to use it? L'accent grave. Okay, so we use this one in accent aigu. We use like we use this accent. Okay, but in grave we use this opposite. Okay, you will use it in opposite way. Okay, so how to use it? It is used upon A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And I'll tell you the how the meaning. It is also changed when we use the accents. Okay, so example, très. It will be called A, and grave aigu it was A, and this one accent when we use, then it is A. Okay, when we use this, then it becomes A, A. Okay, A. So très or faire, très or faire. So there is one more word also. So I tell you how does the meaning change with the accent. So there is one more meaning. O, U. It's me. It means or. Okay, it means or. Okay, when we use accent like this. Okay. So it becomes where. It becomes where. Okay, where. So how, you see, how does it change? Okay, when we are using accent and when we are not using the accent. Okay, so next is tremor. Tremor. Okay, so how to use tremor? It is used like this. Okay, e, and it is used over the e i u. Okay, lexotrema, noel, noel. Okay, me. So how to use it? We use it when there are two vowels are continue. Okay, there are two vowels together. So like oi, then we'll use upon I. Okay, when there is you and I, so we will use upon I, not we will use not use you. Okay, so that is wrong. If we are using on first, we will use the second vowel. Okay, from once to first to next. Okay, so there we will use it. So in this video, in this topic, we have learned the accents. Okay, if you have any problem, you can comment. If you have to ask any question, you can comment. If you want something different, so you can comment. Okay, in the comment section. Got it? So please do these properly, read them properly, and do not be confused. Okay, if you have any kind of confusion, you can put a comment in the comment section. You can go and you can comment, okay, that I have this problem, you can be solved. Okay, you will be told the problem. Got it? You will find the solution also. Okay, so this was the, okay, so share it with your friends, with your family members, with everybody whom you can share. Okay, and this video, the purpose of making this video is to make a language easy for all. Okay, make a language easy for all. Okay, so this one was there. So please go and subscribe the channel, share the video, like the video, comment the video. Do not forget to press bell icon also, so you may get the notification for the further videos. Okay, over. Bye.